Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. Firstly, you have to open Play Store. Then you should tap on your profile icon here. Go to Manage Apps and Device. And here you can see updates available. So here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping update button next to them. Or you can just tap update all, and after that they will all update at once, but it could take some time. So it's for you to decide how to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.